Understanding long press, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that's becoming more and more common in our digital world: long press. This might be a new term for many English language learners, so let's explore what it means, how to use it, and where you might encounter it in everyday life. The term, long press, refers to a type of gesture used on touchscreen devices, like smartphones or tablets. When you long press, you press and hold your finger on the screen for a couple of seconds. It's different from a regular tap, where you quickly touch and release the screen. A long press often brings up additional options or menus. It's like right-clicking with a mouse on a computer. Now let's see some practical examples. If you long press an app icon on your smartphone, you might see options to delete the app, share it, or see more information. In a text messaging app, a long press on a message could show options to copy, forward, or delete the message. These examples show how long press can offer shortcuts or additional functionalities in a digital interface. It's important to note that long press is mainly used in the context of digital technology. You wouldn't use this term for pressing physical buttons on non-touchscreen devices. Also, the duration of the press varies between devices and applications, but it generally ranges from 1 to 3 seconds. I hope this video has helped clarify what long press means and how it's used in our everyday digital interactions. Remember, as technology evolves, so does language. Stay curious and keep learning. Until next time, happy learning, and don't forget to long press that like button if you enjoyed this video.